What's going on, you guys? It's George. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another fragrance video. I'm not sure if you can see in the title, but this is fragrance related. This is also me unboxing basically a gift that I was supposed to give to a friend that could not make time for me this past holiday. So for this to be a fun video, no shade, no tea, no nothing like that. I just got a gift for someone that was too booked to hang out with me over the holidays. So this isn't just any gift, guys. This is something that truly, honestly, I kind of wanted for myself anyway. I picked up EAU DE GAGA. It's a fragrance that's been out since 2014. It's Lady Gaga's unisex scent. Now I read a lot of reviews, a lot of comments about this saying that it's like more on the male side of fragrances, and I don't know about that. I am not closed-minded when it comes to scents. I don't mind dabbling in the women's fragrance department, but I do appreciate luxury scents for men though. I have the YSL fragrance here. I have Mont Blanc Legend. Absolutely love this one. This is probably one of my favorites. And I also have the Victor and Rolf Spice Bomb. These are all like my go-to scents depending on the season. So with that being said, I'm not closed-minded when it comes to fragrances. I have a couple here that are on the feminine side, but really depends on how I'm feeling. So today's video is going to be an unboxing, a first impressions, a experiment, an experience, to say the least. So if you're interested in this EAU DE GAGA fragrance review, an unboxing of this lovely gift, then keep on watching. As you can tell, guys, I had a chill day. I'm just here, I have a drink, I'm enjoying my night, I have a candle going, just did some skincare, and I'm on the verge of just relaxing after I film this video, of course. So I noticed that I had this gift just sitting on my desk, and I was like, wait, why am I not opening that? That's something that I kind of wanted. Also, let me just express, guys, how much I'm in love with my necklace. My partner Gustavo actually got this for me. This, you guys can see, is a urn of my cat Thomas. If you're new to my channel, what's going on? I once had 5 cats and now have 4. My cat Thomas passed away last year. His ashes are in here. I know it's a little weird, but this is a beautiful necklace. One of my favorite gifts that I've ever received, and I'm very grateful for it. So thank you, Gustavo. I just want to share that with you guys because if you are new to this channel, then you've seen Thomas before and you know how sentimental and of value this would be to me. So it's pretty cool. Now, guys, this fragrance here, let's get this open because I'm kind of over just looking at this beautiful packaging that I did myself. I'm actually a rapper. How about that? You would never expect it, but I can wrap a gift, guys. There we go. That's the box. EAU DE GAGA, Paris, New York, 001. Not sure if that means anything, but it's wrapped up. I actually purchased this from Amazon. That's the other side here. But I purchased this from Amazon and it was originally 20 bucks. Not too bad. I'm not sure why this was so cheap, but I never knew this fragrance existed. I know she had the one that was like black liquid and it was sold at Sephora and like a lot of high-end department stores. This one, on the other hand, I didn't know that this was a thing until I searched for House Laboratories during like Christmas time for Christmas gifts, and I seen that this fragrance is out there. So box is pretty sick. I'm not gonna lie, I do appreciate this box. It's very like unisex looking, red and the black, little devilish, but love it. And it looks like you open it up this way. Oh, I opened it the wrong way. And it opens up like this. That is the box right there. And it is black, guys. I'm a sucker for anything that's sleek, black, and monochromatic and sexy. To me, this just looks very that. I appreciate it. So now that she is open, we're gonna go ahead and read the description. I'm gonna read the description from Amazon because I've seen this is sold on multiple websites, but Amazon to me is the most trustworthy, so that's what I'm relying on. It says here, EAU DE GAGA is an enigmatic scent. I don't know what the heck that means. Fusing daring and diverse elements to create a beguiling allure. The fragrance is built around a beautiful heart of white violet, an intoxicating flower that fuses male and female attractions. To counterbalance the opulent woody floral intensity, this scent opens with an invigorating burst of sparkling lime that exudes dynamic vibrancy. All right. And it evolves into a sensual trail based on leather, adding a primal quality to the scent. Love that, guys. Leather is one of my top ingredients when it comes to scents. Leather, bergamot, and woody, anything woody. I'm gonna list all the ingredients right here if you wanna check them out for yourself. I personally cannot find the base notes, top notes, and heart notes, like any of that, like in a row, anywhere. So I did, on the other hand, find out that sparkling water, accord, lime, and leather are like the most reported ingredients for the scent. Doesn't sound bad to me. I'm fine with that. Those are all great smells. I don't know, but I like to know like what's the base note and heart note and all that good stuff. Also, before I do forget, the size of this is 75 milliliters, which is 2.5 fluid ounces. That's a pretty promising size. It's not too big, not too small. And let me just share this with you again, guys. I'm loving this packaging. That is very beautiful. This is, and it's glass too. This is not plasticky. I think also the top is glass. No, it's plastic. Whatever. Everything is black. Even the little spritzer right here. I can't smell anything through this, so I'm gonna give it a shake and then we're gonna smell. So shake and spritz. Here we go. That is nice. Kind of smells grapey to me. Definitely musky. I don't know, guys. I'm loving this. I'm not gonna lie. This is. I can see the unisex portion of it because it kind of has a little florally aroma to it, but for the most part, this is a musky, woody scent. I'm not getting the leather vibe. I wish I was. Maybe later on I will. That is nice. That is very nice. I guess it worked out in the long run that I did not get to gift this because it smells amazing and I'm happy to add this to my collection. This does not disappoint when it comes to packaging. I'm still shook on that, aside from the scent smelling really good for 20 bucks, guys. Bargain the house. But like, look at this up against Mont Blanc, Victor and Rolf. Like, they just look expensive, don't they? Like, it does not look like a $20 scent. It does not smell like one. It does not give that type of aroma. I don't know how to explain it, but what I am going to do is update you guys in the description box on whether or not this is lasting for a good period of time. Maybe that's why it was discounted. I don't know. To me, like, you know, a scent is good if it lasts more than like an hour or two. So I'm hoping that this is one that lasts maybe not all day, because it's like almost impossible for a scent to last all day, but for a good portion of the day. Definitely appreciate that. So to me, guys, this is a Schirra Eau de Gaga, Lady Gaga's House Laboratories scent. This is beautiful. This is something that I'm going to be using, and I'm very excited to own this. I love Lady Gaga, guys. I met her many moons back, and she is a beautiful, inspiring, and just incredible person. I'm a huge fan. Waiting for LG6. I don't know where the heck that is. All right, guys, that is pretty much it for this video. Thank you so much for sticking around and watching this try on, this unboxing, this experiment here. I'm very happy with what I just smelled. I'm gonna continue wearing this, like I said. And if you guys have any experience wearing this Eau de Gaga fragrance, sound off in the comment section down below. And if you did enjoy this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to please subscribe to my channel. That'd be much appreciated. Goes a long way. Share this video and share the love. Also hit the notification bell because I upload videos weekly. So you might as well follow me on this YouTube journey. And my Instagram is right here if you'd like to give that a follow. But until next time, say thanks, give compliments, and think positive. And I'll catch you in the next video. Bye, guys.